MedShake. Hi, I'm Anca, and this is the place to be to hear about the latest tech trends in healthcare. Today, we're examining the latest Google Health Impact Report, which highlights the ways AI is being integrated into healthcare. This is not just about future possibilities, it is about the ongoing applications of AI in medical diagnostics, patient monitoring, and drug discovery. What are the implications of these advancements for the healthcare industry and for everyday individuals? Let's take a closer look. Welcome into the Meta Health. Imagine this. You wake up, and before even brushing your teeth, your smartwatch has already analyzed your heart rate, detected any irregularities, and sent a summary to your doctor. This is not some distant reality. It is already happening now. Google's mission is clear: helping everyone, everywhere, live a longer, healthier life. And at the core of this mission is artificial intelligence, as it is stated in its report. Take AlphaFold, for example. This AI-driven breakthrough earned Google Minds researchers a Nobel Prize for accurately predicting nearly all known protein structures, an achievement that could accelerate drug development for diseases like Parkinson's and malaria. Imagine the years of research condensed into mere months, revolutionizing how we understand disease at the molecular level. But AI is not just working behind the scenes in research labs. It's making a direct impact on our everyday health. Google's Med-Gemini AI, for instance, scored an astonishing 91.1% accuracy on US medical exam questions. This AI can interpret 3D scans, generate radiology reports, and even assist doctors in making clinical decisions with unprecedented precision. And let's talk about accessibility. In underserved regions like India or parts of Africa, Google's AI models are tackling diseases like tuberculosis through bioacoustic analysis, which is pretty much analyzing the sound of coughs to detect infections early. Now let's bring it closer to home. Have you ever researched a health question on Google? I'm pretty sure you've already done so, and you're not alone. Hundreds of millions of people do this every day. To make sure you get the most reliable information, Google is prioritizing verified medical sources, and YouTube, which is part of Google, highlights expert-driven health content, which reached nearly 200 billion views last year alone. Wearables are also stepping up their game. Fitbit's irregular heart rhythm notifications are helping 19 million users detect atrial fibrillation early, while the Pixel Watch now offers loss of pulse detection, which can automatically call emergency services in critical situations. It's no longer just about tracking steps, which we've done for a while. It's about proactive healthcare, catching issues before they become emergencies. And studies are proving the impact. A recent analysis of over 15,000 Fitbit users found that those who averaged 10,000 steps per day had up to a 46% lower risk of developing chronic conditions like diabetes and depression. The data is clear. AI-driven health tracking isn't just a convenience. It could potentially save a life. While personal health tools are making waves, the biggest transformations are happening in hospitals and research labs. Think about the immense workload on doctors and nurses, documentation, diagnosis, treatment planning. It is overwhelming. But AI is stepping in as a powerful ally. Hospitals like HCA Healthcare are using Google's AI to automate medical documentation, saving thousands of hours annually. Real-time AI-generated summaries help nurses transition between shifts smoothly, reducing errors and improving patient care. Then there's medical imaging. Google's AI is now assisting radiologists in interpreting scans with greater accuracy, catching signs of diseases that even experienced doctors might miss. It's like having a second pair of expert eyes, but one that never tires. It's like having a second pair of expert eyes available to help doctors anytime they need it. And the speed of drug discovery is accelerating. Google's AI is being used to analyze millions of protein sequences, helping biotech companies develop treatments faster than ever before. Imagine a future where AI helps tailor drugs specifically to your genetic makeup. That's personalized medicine, and it is what everyone in the medical community is trying to achieve. Of course, as the saying goes, with great power comes great responsibility. AI in healthcare presents some tough ethical questions. How do we ensure patient data remains secure through algorithm training? How do we prevent AI biases from affecting medical outcomes? Google is tackling these challenges by implementing strict data privacy protocols, encryption, and compliance with global healthcare regulations. There's also the issue of AI explainability, ensuring that doctors and patients understand how AI reaches its conclusions. If an AI model recommends a diagnosis, we need to know why. It's not enough to blindly trust an algorithm, no matter how advanced it is, especially in healthcare and for medical decisions. And then, of course, there's the legal landscape. As AI takes on a bigger role in medicine, regulatory frameworks will need to evolve. The technology is moving at lightning speed, but can policy keep up? So, what does the future hold? AI assisted virtual doctors guiding you through medical consultations, reducing the strain on human professionals while expanding access to care? Is that it? Predictive healthcare could soon warn entire communities of diseases outbreaks weeks in advance. And as AI models continue to learn, they might even help identify new treatments for conditions that have baffled doctors for decades. Google's AI revolution in healthcare is not just an abstract content. As you can see, it is truly happening now. From early disease detection to AI-powered medical consultations, we are witnessing the dawn of a new era in medicine. But of course, we need to ensure that these technologies are used ethically, securely, and inclusively. And that will be the true test of AI's role in healthcare. That's it for today's deep dive into Google's report and its impact in healthcare. If you want to read the full document, you can find the link in the description, and I will see you soon for another tech adventure in healthcare.